Okay, BPV Outdoor here. I'm gonna show you a little trick here. This is a just a small little clamp I got from Menards, and what I use this for is on a windy day. You see this flap right here, this windshield? On a windy day, it will blow this and over, and makes a startled noise. And what I do is I use this to clamp it like that, and that solves that problem there. And it's sturdy, and you won't have that wind knocking this to the other side, flopping it. So the little trick is that this is the Bessie, whatever you call it, but you can get these at any hardware store, Menards, Home Depot, Lowe's. And like I said, it just goes on there. It doesn't need much to clamp, just a little bit to hold it in place so it doesn't move, like that. And that would solve your problem for wind. Okay, BPV out.